Bu videoda A2 seviyesinde İngilizce dinleme pratiği yapacağız. Hikayeyi yavaş ve net bir şekilde dinleyebilirsin. Her kelimeyi anlaman gerekmiyor. Anlamadığın yerlerde durdurmana gerek yok. Sadece dinle, rahatla ve İngilizceye kulaklarını alıştır. Hazırsan başlayalım. After work, David feels a little tired, but he is in a good mood. He finishes his job at 6:30 and leaves the office with a smile. While he is walking home, he listens to music on his phone. The street is busy, but the sky looks beautiful. He thinks about what he wants to do in the evening. At home, David changes his clothes and washes his hands. Then he prepares a light dinner because he does not want to eat too much. While he is eating, he thinks about his plans for tomorrow. After dinner, David studies English for 30 minutes. He watches a short video and listens carefully. Sometimes he does not understand every word, but he keeps listening. Because he practices every day, he feels more confident. He writes a few new words in his notebook and reads them aloud. Later, David sits on the sofa and drinks a cup of tea. He feels relaxed and proud of himself. Before going to bed, he sets his alarm and turns off the lights. As he lies in bed, he feels calm and hopeful. He knows learning English takes time, but he enjoys the process. Tomorrow will be another chance to learn and improve. Dinlediğin için teşekkür ederim. Eğer her şeyi anlamadıysan bu çok normal. İngilizce dinleme zamanla gelişir. Bu videoyu ne zaman istersen tekrar dinleyebilirsin. Videoyu beğenip yorum atmayı unutmayın. Hepsini okuyorum. Bir sonraki videoda görüşmek üzere.